Hello, mwakwa babiom eba me channel so. Mwamu ni midadada, ye frame Gideon Aite, CEO of River-Ahava Solutions. Na ejuma ye ne se ye boa nkofo ema make good decision ewo me laboratory no. Also, it also turn laboratory equipment and reagents. Nti ye boa ma nkofo so choose the best equipment. Ebe boa mo laboratory ejuma. And then menya calls and emails from people say, omo pese me ye more education on calibration. And this is here no me be calibration series. Na yakom deep no be who calibration what it's about. Na so ama will make a decision, I will make a good decision in your laboratory activities. And it's an happen. Do I already they go straight to the point. Na obibebusa say calibration kura anything. Calibration no say obe adjust wo instrument a wokra na obe verify na ama results a obetumo de wo ato so accurate and reliable nti eno ansa obe chinchim wo equipment no ansa obe test bi a verify ni say wo hwe say de ese measure na no na measure nti measure accurate results and just the calibration no correct because machine bi a wo use for a very long time now measurement no fit the beer ewo no the friend drift the calibration ebe ma machine no aba bibia ese eba na ma good results are between the bi nti this series no ye pese yesua ade bi how we calibration wrongly and poorly we calibration na endi mu a ebe how ame mu aboka ewo laboratory edwuma yem nti in there we are going to see about how poor calibration can cost you. Point one, inaccurate results. Say one calibrate too much years here. Results about and correct. It will more high, it will more low. Niniano inaccurate results are there pa and say a bear affected with production. Inti with production no say a beer say we use chemicals, a beer 2 liters. Sometimes you have to use 10 liters. It was so we use chemicals 10 liters. So we use 2 liters because among the accurate results. We show amount boka. 2, a compliance issue. Compliance they say your bodies be a bind and I say international body be a omope documentation. Ewo calibration so any ejuma way or company ama ometumi issue licenses and I say ometumi go ahead say your production and I say be when the issue go company one obetumi edo results na che say ye we nya ba say nearby. Another thing so I say we share customer safety. So we poor calibration customer safety so come because what I say idea would man TDS ABI 40 milligram per liter and I say 40 ppm eba kodru on na ABI TDS na wo na 1000 ppm customer no fa ade na ebetumi aha no because edu a customer no and so num nsuo bi a the TDS ebro 40 ppm nti poor calibration so e cause sa problem nti ono so yen hwe ni na yenko point 2 no say who be lose trust ewo customers and our clients in them loss of trust in clients and customers nini an say ade na o ka say ye man what the results is bad bia dem fine now so later my problem nti obon say we obi a wo ye test man crofo people will not come to you again obi amba on change because some say results no emwa enye say wan ye adwuma wo ye adwuma the baby a wan calibrate wo machine ni nti ono so be lose wo client na trust wo nti wo client kwa no emba bio wo adwuma no so legu nti mo man hwe ono so eyi na point 3 and so poor calibration no it will ma who waste resources any chemicals ade e ban say e ma wo ye testing repeatedly sir because we say we nya results say we nya we ye testing repeatedly so we use reagent we use standards apart from that too no we use man hours time I say we dey adwuma ho from na we use testing machine no sir into no so e waste resources and a waste chemicals so nti ano so e ma moboka nti ono so mo hwe nie na mo calibrate mo equipment ye na ama sa kai nia amba. Fourth point regulatory problems in yan say wonya results no readily for regulatory wo company any compliance. So wo ni saa de na ebe ha wo bebre. Regulatory problems ebi ni say wo calibration records no ebi o ha ayira ebi o say outdated say etwem na ebi o say when keep records ni ye nti ono so benya problem nti yemfa ne say ISO eba auditor wo be fail audit no na saa de betuma course pa o metuma ka say o mo withdraw o mo licenses nti say wo ye laboratory ni a insist on good calibration and also among press on management normal procurement for mamo the actual thing you need for your work and mamo nya sa problems ni nya na numa koto wo ha nti you say mamekan so wo pese wo nya reliable results your calibration should be proper ono so ebe yi we fi eka nkitinkiti asem amaka yi de ebebo amo na mai madwuma pepepe mo mboka rough bia ewo mo laboratory adwuma amoye so wo pe more information wetin dey good comment section e be answer and I say address number any email ya ye dey kisi obetumi answer so no afre and our WhatsApp people they are always I'm there to answer you na ya check their answer way me patcho say we so aboawa like share na comment but that was it say what now etie me bye bye.